Hey everyone, I'm here to take a look at some new floor mats for my Civic Type-R. I am here with Civic Type-R, taking the factory floor mats out, and I'm going to be taking a look at Lasfit's custom floor liners. These are laser measured all-weather floor mat, specifically for the 11th generation Civic. Now, the factory floor mats on this car are not terrible. The problem is that they don't really cover this area of the carpet. And the carpet is bright red, as you can see, and traps a lot of dirt in that area. So for the winter season and all-weather mats, I do like something that will cover that area. The other big thing that aftermarket floor mats get you over the factory ones is that they cover the hump in the middle of the rear seat as well. Okay, well, let's start with a quick unboxing video. The box is fairly sturdy, and let's see what these guys look like. So they all come in one bag. The rear mat is slightly folded up, so let's check this in the sun. Let it warm up a little bit. So I already like this design. It has deep channels to hold some water, and it will cover this middle part of the seat much better. All right, here are the mats out. They're a light sort of TPU material. They're not as heavy as the rubber floor mats, which is nice. They have decently deep pockets. Looks like they're fairly well made. They have holes for the factory attachment points. I wish this logo was a little bit smaller and less obvious, but it's not too bad. It's at least not super obnoxious looking. And I guess the next thing is to toss them in the car and see how they fit. Okay, let's do the passenger side front mat first. This one there are no retainers for. Just slips right in. And wow, that actually fits really nicely. Follows the contours of the car. Looks pretty good. It'll stay in place decently. It's got little feet and traction grip. Looks pretty nice. Time for the driver's side mat. So it lines directly up with the factory retainers. Give those a quarter turn, and yeah, these fit really nicely. They follow the curves better than some of my setup, and they definitely cover the dead pedal nicely. There's none of that exposed. There is enough of the red exposed that you can still see it, but I think these look nice. They do fit nicely, and they look like they're going to hold a decent amount of water during the winter months, and they don't look bad. Okay, time for the rear. Come on this side. Finish putting it in. We'll go tuck in the other side properly. Okay, and the rear fits great. I will note that I do have the USB ports in the upgraded Mixtor rear vents. So this center tunnel is going to look a little different on my car, but it should still fit. There might be a little gap up there if you don't have this, but it shouldn't be too noticeable. In terms of the way it fits, they fit great. They're nice and solid. Don't seem to move around at all. Looks like they're going to hold a decent amount of water. They're nice and light, which is better than the rubber floor mats that a lot of people use back there, and they provide a lot of coverage. They fit really well. yeah, from a fit perspective, I think these are definitely a winner. Wish that logo was a little bit smaller, but yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, these mats definitely fix the two complaints I had about the factory floor mats, which were that they didn't cover the dead pedal. The factory floor mat just lets the dead pedal hang out. It also doesn't really have as much channel to hold water. And then the rear of the factory floor mat doesn't cover that hump at all. And the Lasfit do. Construction-wise, they're similar. I'd say they actually probably fit better than the factory mats. The factory mats have, yeah, I guess maybe a slightly nicer looking logo, but the Lasfit seem to fit better and have better coverage. So I think they're a winner.